Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to set up telemetry alarms in the Futaba 18 SE. Someone in the Flying Giant thread of the Futaba 18 SE asked me to report back on how to do it, so making a video to explain it. So what you want to do is first off to go to linkage menu and then go to the telemetry menu here. So now I'm using telemetry of my Powerbox. So as you can see, I have the Powerbox telemetry menu on this side. I don't know here. So it's this one here. So if I were to click on it, basically what I wanted to do is to have alarms set up for certain speed and certain altitude. You could do that as well with the GPS sensor from Futaba or whatever telemetry sensor that works with the Futaba system. So these are the telemetry values that the Powerbox will register. Voltage of battery 1, 2, the capacity of both batteries. If I go to the next page, the antenna fades, lost frames, or holds. So what I'm concentrated on is the speed, right? Since this is in my jet, I want to limit the speed, or I want the alarm to sound when I go above 200 miles per hour. So basically, you got this menu. This shows like the menu of whenever it goes above this value or goes below this value. So I'm interested in going above 200, so I set up the limit to 200 here on this side, and then I choose what kind of alarm I want. Now I don't want any vibration, but I want an alarm, so I'll click on it. There is a buzzer here, but I don't want a buzzer, I want a voice. So I'll click on it again, and now it's, as you can see, it's on voice. So this is telling me whenever the GPS go or detects a speed above 200, it will tell me. For the sake of this video, I will do voice also on 0 miles per hour to show you how it sounds, because I'm not going 200 miles an hour currently sitting in my shop. The other thing is I wanted the altitude. So if I click on it, I want an alarm when I go above, I want an alarm to sound when I go above 400 feet. So I'll set it up to 400 feet, and then the alarm is voice. Again, we'll test the 0 feet just for the sake of this video. So we'll do voice on that too. So now, after doing this, you want to go to, we're still in the linkage menu. We'll scroll to the second page and we'll go to telemetry settings. Here you will indicate how often do you want the alarm to sound, how long it lasts while it sounds, and so on. So the speech interval, let's do 1 second just for the video to show how it will be annoying and it will repeat itself a lot, but just to show you how to do it. How many times or how often do you want the alarm to repeat itself, and how long do you want it to last is the last option. I'll just inhibit this right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my Powerbox on.
Warning, speed 0 miles per
You hear the
hour.
radio?
Warning, altitude 0 feet. Warning. Speed 0 miles per hour. Warning. Altitude.
So now it's telling us if I increase the interval,
miles per hour. Warning. Altitude
30 seconds for example.
Feet. Warning. Speed 0 miles per hour. Warning.
Oh, never
Altitude
mind.
0 feet.
Maybe alarm
Warning.
defeat.
Speed 0
Okay, let's do
0
this.
feet.
Yeah, it's the repeat. So I want it, for example, every 60 seconds. So every minute, if I'm above that certain altitude or speed, it will repeat it every minute. Of course, I want it at, for example, 20 seconds because
miles per
I
hour.
want it to
Altitude 0
alarm me
feet.
when I'm going above this speed or this specific altitude. And like I said, you could fine tune it here in this menu and adjust it however you like. If I go back to the telemetry menu,
Warning. 0 miles per hour. Warning.
I don't want it to tell me that I'm staying still, so I'm going to inhibit where it says 0 miles per hour, but keep it at the 200. Same for the altitude. I'm going to inhibit this one and just keep it for the 400. I hope this video is helpful. One more thing. There is an option here where it says speech. You could choose a switch for it. I tried to do that, but I couldn't figure it out. If someone knows how to do it or how to fine tune it using a switch, please leave it in the comments and let me know. Otherwise, that's it for now. I hope this is helpful for someone.